Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3, and we are learning Unit 7. Its title is Student of the Year. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today we are going to complete reading and comprehension of this unit. And as I told you yesterday, before this, we have already practiced in grade 2 to use pictures to comprehend the text, and we are going to learn further to skim through common graphical features such as pictures and tables in text to increase understanding. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah As-Saff, verse 4, truly Allah loves those who fight in His cause in battle array as if they were a solid cemented structure. Yes, my dear students, as I told you yesterday that this beautiful verse tells us in every situation we should follow the discipline, and when we follow the discipline it gives us strength. Muslim becomes a solid cemented structure. And why we are doing all this? Because Allah loves those who follow the discipline in every situation. So inshallah, in every situation, either it's break time, it's home time, it's play time, we should follow the discipline. Why? Because we want us to be loved by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, right? So let's start reading as we read yesterday. First, you tell me what sort of student Ahmad is. I told you we learned many things about Ahmad yesterday. So why Ahmad never rushes out of the classroom when he leaves the school? Pause the video, answer these two questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you recalled it and you answered correctly. So let's start reading. The point where I stopped, I'm going to start reading. You first listen carefully because after me you have to read it, okay? Once on his birthday, whose birthday? Ahmad's birthday, because this story is about Ahmad, so it was his birthday. During school time, it started raining heavily. The class teacher stayed with the students until the rain stopped. The principal did not allow any student to leave the school during the rain. Ahmad obeyed the school safety rules even on that day, while his family was waiting at home for him to cut his birthday cake. You see, Ahmad did not say, I want to go home, my family is waiting, it's my birthday. He was there because now it's an unusual situation. There is heavy rain, nobody can go outside. So you have to wait patiently, right? So what did Ahmad's mother advise him about the strangers? Yesterday we discussed it. Pause the video, answer this question to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you recalled and you could answer correctly that you should not talk to stranger, you should not take sweets from stranger, and if some stranger meets you, you should tell to gatekeeper or you should go inside the school to tell your teacher, all right? Okay, Ahmad is the best student in his school. He is a caring, kind and disciplined student. Okay, so better to be best student, what are the qualities? You should be caring, you should be kind and you should be disciplined. Being an obedient son, he is loved by his parents. He follows his teacher's instructions. He has not only won a trophy but also got the title Student of the Year from the principal. We all should be alert and active when we go outside if you follow the things Ahmad does, then you can also be a disciplined child. You will set an example for your younger ones too. Right? So better to be obedient and to be disciplined. First, it helps you, you become the best child. And secondly, you set example for your youngers, right? So this is what we have learned in this story. Now you answer these questions. How can you become a disciplined child? And why should we be alert and active when we go outside? And after answering these questions, you will read the text. So you will skim the text of the lesson and list a few qualities of Ahmad being a good student. So pause the video, answer post reading question, complete this activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. And do you remember the skim technique I told you yesterday? Quickly read without understanding each and every word, because now we have already done understanding, so you can quickly read and find the text. All right. So it's time for your comprehension. This question was left. You will answer this question to your teacher and you will write its answer in your notebook, and you will complete this multiple choice question and take the nouns which are helpful to your safety at school. But this you have to do carefully, because this is not a task, you have to learn it. So what are the safety rules? So pause the video, complete this task, and then come back. Are you done with it? Good job. It's time for your homework. You will write answers for post-reading questions in your notebook. You have answered orally. Now you will write these answers in your notebook. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear students, what you are going to do, again, I have given you a paragraph. You will read it. You will apply skimming technique to answer these questions. All right. So what we have learned today, we learned to skim through common graphical features such as pictures and tables in text to increase understanding. So in this way, we achieved our SLO to skim through common graphical features such as pictures and tables in text to increase understanding. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, and take very good care of yourself. Thank you, and Allah.